Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai. It could be multiple Hyundai models, guys. If you need to remove or replace steering wheel, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Now, I will not recommend guys to do that if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags. Consider this entertaining video only, not a how-to video, because if you don't know how to work on airbags, even if you do, you can get seriously hurt, guys. And you need to follow certain steps, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, Hyundai's, Kias, BMWs, Mercedes, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Now, first, consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. I will not recommend to work on airbag systems unless you're qualified and certified. Second, guys, you need to take certain actions to make sure that you can minimize the chance for something to explode and kill you in your face. So all that will be covered in this video today, so consider it entertaining video. Let's go ahead and explain now, guys, okay, how to remove Hyundai steering wheel airbag. First, you need to make sure the car battery is disconnected for at least 1 hour before the repair, guys. So now we had the charger earlier on the battery, but the battery is disconnected, so I recommend not to have chargers or anything like that close to it. So we'll disconnect everything. Okay, the battery needs to be disconnected from the car. I recommend both clamps. Now let it sit for at least 1 hour, then you can continue with the next step. So it's been an hour, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that. This is the steering wheel airbag. So if you look at it, guys, if you have one of those, okay, it's not too complicated at all. Now what you need to do first, okay, you need to turn the steering wheel that way, right here. Okay, let me get another person to come help quick, okay, so we can do it efficiently. You need to make sure somebody's holding the airbag so it doesn't fall off. Right here we have a small hole that you get a Phillips screwdriver, push in, and one person, okay, will pull out, okay, at the same time on this side. Okay, 1 second, not yet. Push it in a little bit. I'll push the thing in and then we'll pull it out. You cannot yank it out, okay, by pulling on it. Now on this side there is another thing. Okay, it releases the airbag on each side. Now we have one more on this side, guys. Okay, perfect. Now be here very careful, okay, don't have any open electric sources, anything like that on the back side. That's your airbag, guys, okay, right here. Make sure you have somebody to support it quick, okay. Never use any metal prying tools or anything like that, only plastic tools if you need to pry something. The wires, okay, you practically pull that thing and then you disconnect the wire. The same thing occurs for the other one, okay, and it comes out here. Okay, we have a clip. Okay, and that clip, okay, I need to get a small screwdriver, okay, or just open it. Here is the, I believe, the horn, and this is, guys, your airbag. That's how you remove it. Putting it together, it's pretty simple, guys. Install everything, okay, and make sure if you hit exploded airbag, you need to inspect the system, you need to replace wirings, you need to replace the cork spring as well. So once you remove the airbag, you can continue with the steering wheel removal now, and right here you hold it. Okay, I would recommend to center it so later, okay, you don't confuse it where exactly install it. Always find the torque specs for your specific car, guys, okay, to make sure that actually, okay, you get it tight enough, and see if the bolt needs to be replaced. Sometimes it needs to. So I would recommend to always bring it to the middle. Go ahead, remove the nut. Now here we need to disconnect, okay, from the cork spring. That's the main wire for the steering wheel. The other one is for the airbags, it will stay there. Now you might need to shake it a little bit, guys. Okay, it may be stuck a little bit. It's made to wear, okay, careful, airbag wires, to where it gets stuck a little bit. Okay, perfect. And the steering wheel, okay, came out just like that. So that's how you guys replace steering wheel on Hyundai if you need to. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.